Holly, and it was such a beautiful day out today that I decided to come outside and film my KnitCrate. So it is time to open up my KnitCrate for the month of April. I'm super excited. If you don't know what KnitCrate is, it is a monthly subscription where you will get some yarn. So every month I have the membership crate, which is like their in-house yarn. Every month it's a different yarn base, so it could be like fingering, it could be worsted, it could be jumbo, it could be anything. And then also you get usually 3 color choices. You can pick which one you want, or you can just let it be a surprise like I do. I just like to get the surprise and see what I get. And there's also a sock crate if you're into knitting socks or crocheting socks. I'm not really into that yet. Maybe someday. I don't know. We'll see. But they have lots of options. You should definitely go check them out. If you haven't already checked them out, use my link down below and you can use code pineapple20 to get 20% off your first purchase. Okay, so this month it was a little confusing. I did cut the top of this just so I didn't have to do it on camera. Now my nose is itchy just thinking about yarn. But it came in this little mailer. And I don't care if you see my address because it's my P.O. box, guys. And it's fine. So came in a little mailer instead of a box. I'm not really sure why, but we're about to find out. I believe the colors of yarn were a really like raspberry pink color, I think a purple, or a pearly white. And actually I'm kind of hoping for the pearly white, which I know is weird, it's not really me. So I'm gonna hold this up for you guys to see. So let me know what I got, guys. Can you see? Can they see? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, we got the pink. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then let's see let me set it to the side for a second. Pull out everything inside. Okay, so that was in the mailer. Huh, we didn't get the little book. Normally it comes with a book with patterns and other stuff. I'm gonna have to get on KnitCrate and see why we didn't get it. I'm sure there was a reason, but it was the, sorry, over here now, Luminous. Isn't that pretty? And it came with, oh, it says right here, they're doing things a little differently because of the COVID pandemic. If you guys are watching this in a year or two, go back and Google that, all right? See how crazy it was. Anyways, so they're doing, the installation booklet is digital. See, if I just read the little flyer they sent with it, you guys, we wouldn't have a problem. So I do have a digital code to get my little book. It, I'll show you the yarn in a second, but it always comes with something extra. And today it came with some soak. So this is a scentless, soak is like a wool wash. I could actually use some. I actually really need some wool wash. I just finished some projects that need to be washed. So this is awesome. I love soak. Okay, and this is the yarn. And this yarn is crazy, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys aren't getting the full effect of this yarn. Look at that. The tinsel in it, or tinsel or whatever they call it, is literally just like popping out. It's not just wrapped in it, it's popping out. Okay, so this is their Yuri yarns in their Sugared Sport by KnitCrate. So, wow, you know what, guys? I'm so excited. This iPad is doing just a great job focusing on stuff. All right, look at this colorway is Ruby. It is 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. It is a sport weight, and you get 300 yards per skein, and you get 2 of them. It's, let's see. When I hold it up like right there, that's pretty color accurate. I actually like this way better than I thought I would. When I saw this online, I thought it was too red of a pink for me. I would definitely call it a raspberry pink. Wouldn't you, honey?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mr. Pineapple's here too. He's always here, guys.
I'm always here.
Always here. He's my stalker. All right. I love it. I love that crazy stellina sticking out everywhere. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's not showing up color. If I get it close. There you go. Now it's giving you the color. So pretty. I would have liked the white too, though. I wish that you could get like an option for 1 skein of each, because I think like the white with the red or with the pink would look really cute. Now, KnitCrate does usually have extras, so when the KnitCrate's all done shipping, I should be able to go on and maybe purchase one or find somebody selling one or something like that. So maybe I will get the white still, but we'll see. Look at how cute this one is. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm super excited. That was a great KnitCrate. Sometimes you get yarn you just don't like, or you get a color you don't like. If that happens, you can trade. I could go online. KnitCrate has a Ravelry group, and they swap. People will swap yarns with you. Like if you wanted the red and they got the white or the purple, they'd swap with you. I want the pink, and I want the white. So I'm gonna have to go on and see if I can like buy some. Anyways, so there's lots of options for KnitCrate. I love it. I love the surprise. It's like getting a present once a month. Every time I see, normally it comes in this adorable little blue box. Whenever I see that box at the post office, I'm like, KnitCrate's here. Yarn. So super excited, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said, if you don't already get KnitCrate and you are interested in KnitCrate, you can use my link down below and use the code pineapple20 for 20% off your first order. Well, I'm gonna get out of here and enjoy this beautiful day, you guys. So